How to fix if your KineMaster is having problem while exporting. Now, in order to fix this issue, you have to know what is causing the problem at very first. Now, if KineMaster is not updated at the latest version, you can try updating the KineMaster app by going into App Store or Play Store. Now, if your app is updated, now you can check if you have storage problem into your device or not. Just simply go to the files and check your storage is free or not. And the other reason might be the codec issues and the quality issues from export section. Now in order to fix this, just simply go to this export section and you can check the format and you can select some other formats which might fix your issue by reducing the video's size and all those transparent background and things from here. Simply select other format and you can also try reducing quality by a little bit, which doesn't affect a lot. Unless you need really high quality rendered video, you can also try dropping frame rate